Hello, my panel of judges, accurate timekeeper, co-debaters, and my audience. My names are Edima, and I am here. Okay, let me get serious. Yes, this is a full-blown debate, and yes, I am here to tell you why hosting a morning show is very demanding, why hosting a morning show is very difficult, why hosting a morning show is way tougher than hosting any other show. If you got a problem with it, argue with your keeper.
I don't want peace.
If you're not a morning person, or here is your case, you are done. Otilo, it is finished because your girl is gonna go and turn on the mic, and then you're just gonna be sounding like somebody that wants to go back to bed. It's not easy. You can't ask this house morning show. You must be happy by force. Nobody cares if you had a heartbreak, if you just break father. Nobody cares. You just gotta turn on that mic and sound like you just won a lottery. Hey, go and do a morning show now. Go and do a morning show. If it easy. Point number 2. Hey, you will run out of content if you don't do your show prep. If you are not careful, if you don't even do your research beforehand, you will not have anything because there's not that show before that show. You see that starting the show, you need to know what did they say, what did Tinubu say, what did you not say, you have to know everything. So sorry if you don't have a show prep. You can even freestyle on the morning show if you don't know what to talk about. Which brings us to the next point as to why hosting a morning show is not for the faint-hearted. You will not have celebrity grazing your show. They're not saying that one. So those of you that are planning to put to morning show, and like, how to the morning show? Why are they not putting me on the morning show? Good luck. You better remain where you. I'm not trying to discourage you, but I'm just prepping your mind so that when you go on that morning show, you understand why it is not. Again, I say for the faint-hearted. Because especially if your guests they don't live in your city. It's over, finish. Sorry, because they will not wake up. Which flights are they even going to carry and come early morning? Because just forget it. It's road show, midday show, that the ones that will collect all the celebrity appearances. You will not get anything. And if at all the celebrities are in your town, do you think they will wake up at 8 a.m., 9 a.m. just go back and come to your show? They will not do it. Many of them will not do it. The few that you see, you collect. The few you don't see, well, sorry, it's your name. Now you understand with me why doing a morning show is not easy at all. Worst of all, if you don't even have co-host. Now you go laugh, now you go cry. It's you that will say everything. All the talk in this whole world is gonna be on top of your head. So think again before you say I wanna be a morning show host. I hope with these 3 points of mine, I have been able to convince you and not to confuse you that hosting a morning show is the most difficult show to host. You want to argue, Abby? Oh yeah, bring your points. I'm gonna be in the comment section. I'm gonna be waiting for you.
Run,